Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today I've got some brand new working Coast Plus for Roblox, 99 nights in the forest. Some codes can expire anytime, so make sure you watch till the end. There's even a secret code hidden in this video. And then skip any part.
Like an adjective, I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it.
To enter the giveaway, just comment your Roblox username below. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe too. The channel, hit the bell icon. Whether it's blocks fruits, dress to impress, or 99 nights in the forest. Let's start the video.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it
After
all
party.
myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit.
Thanksgiving.
For the fakeness, if you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever
Halloween
slow up,
week 2.
no, I don't take shit. I've got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play
Shadow
tough
Night.
and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent.
3D Amen.
Confidence, dreams, and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but
Potion making.
something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go. Make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable. Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it. I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant modern kingdom for the taking. Now that